A kú dédé àsìkò yìí o. Ní gbogbo ibikíbi tí a bá wà, Ọlọ́run á máa wà pẹ̀lú yín, á dúró tì yín. Gbogbo wa la ó kéré oko délé o. Gbogbo àwọn tó wà lájò, gbogbo wa ò ní kú sájò. Àwọn tó sì wà nílé náà, Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á dúró tì wọ́n, á wà pẹ̀lú wọn. Ìròyìn kékeré kan ni mo gbọ́ ní àárọ̀ yìí. Kí n tó máa tẹ̀síwájú, orúkọ tèmi ni HRH Prince A. Hadijo. Ìròyìn kékeré kan ni mo gbọ́ ní àárọ̀ yìí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tí àwọn tí dókítà ó ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ strike or no strike. Ó ní mo kàn ní kí n gbé wá sí etí ìgbọ̀yín ká jọ gbọ́, ká sì jọ fi ọkàn bá lọ. So màá fẹ́ kẹ́ wá nǹkan fi ìdílé ká gbọ́ ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, gbogbo bí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ ní ìlú Nàìjíríà. Nítorí ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, àwọn kan ń di ẹ̀bi ru àwọn doctors wọ̀nyí. Ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ ká kàn jọ gbọ́, ká jọ fi òye gbé. Ẹ fún mi ní sùúrù, ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé.
Pera ọmọ ọgbọ́n bí ọ wà báyìí nìyẹn. Sọ ọmọ pera.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ ṣe sùúrù, ká jọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Sùúrù ni. I won't take much of your time, please. We just need help listening to the news. It was just this morning news. Thank you so much.
Ọ lè fẹ́ dọ́ọ̀jì o, mọ́ dọ́ọ̀jì o, pera. Ìlàjọ́ máa kà lọ́jọ́ Monday. Ìwé kókò fún rẹ̀.
Èmi ò dá sí o.
Etí rẹ̀ ó ti máa jáǹbí ọba wà báyìí.
Èmi ò dá sí o. Tọ́ lójú ìwé kẹtàlá ìwé ìròyìn The Punch níbi tí alákòóso fún ètò ìlera lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà dókítà Ozage Enaire tó ti ń rọ àwọn dókítà tó ń kàwé gboyè nílé ìwòsàn láti ṣẹ́mi ilé ìyanṣẹ́lódì tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ látàrí bí ọ̀rọ̀ COVID-19 àti ọ̀rọ̀ kọ́lẹ́rà ti ṣe gbòde kan láwọn ìpínlẹ̀ gbogbo lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà níbi tí wọ́n ti ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ síta pé a kì í jẹ́ akérèmọdò nídìí nǹkan ẹni o. Wọ́n ní ìjọba àpapọ̀ yóò ṣàmúlò òfin àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ lápapọ̀ eléyìí tí ó ní kò síṣẹ́ kò sówó oṣù fáwọn dókítà tí wọ́n bá kọ̀ǹtínú láti máa lọ ní ìyanṣẹ́lódì pẹ̀lú àlàyé pé àwọn dókítà náà ni ó jẹ́ pé wọn ò san owó orí kankan tí wọn ò sì gbé ìgbésẹ̀ kankan ju pé kánkàn ṣiṣẹ́ lọ bó wá ló ti ṣe wá jẹ́ tẹ́wàá mọ̀ dà wá láàmú lẹ́ka ìlera o. Àmọ́ o níbi tí ó tún ti wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní òun ò fìgbà kankan dúnkokò mọ́ àwọn dókítà tó ń kàwé gboyè nílé ìwòsàn pé wọ́n gbaṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn o tàbí wọ́n ó já wọn kúrò lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ láti ọjọ́ kejì oṣù kẹjọ ọdún tá a wà yìí látàrí pé wọn ò lọ fún iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n gbà. Ó ní irọ́ tó jìnnà sóòótọ́ ni ó ní kò síbi kankan tóun ti dúnkokò mọ́ wọn. Ó tún wá tẹ̀sọ́wọ́ wájú ó ní gbogbo wa náà la mọ̀ gbọ́ ká fẹ́ràn sẹ́nu káwa tí ó lásìkò tí wọ́n wá ń yanṣẹ́lódì yìí kò ń ṣàsìkò tó dáa rárá. Àmọ́ o àwọn dókítà náà ti sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ní láti pàṣẹ.
Now, before I continue to proceed with that news, video of the news, ohun tí mo kàn fẹ́ tí mo gbọ́ ń bẹ̀ yẹn ni wípé the time they go for the strike action, it's not the best time for them to go for the strike action. Now, this group of doctors, they have invited these people. They sat them down. They converse with them. I mean, they deliberate with them about their salary. That they should give them the salary. They should pay them their salary. These people, they are proving adamant. They never listen to them. It's not 1, 2 times or more than. I believe it's not 1 or 2 or 3 times that they have discussed with them. They sat them down, talk to them so that they can pay them their salary. But they never listen to them. The useless people, most especially the block-headed man calling himself the president of Nigeria, and all other people, all other politicians that are working under him, they have never deprived them of their rights. They've never once owed them 1 month's salary. And even though they hold them 1 month's salary, they won't bother about it. Because a 1 month salary of those politicians is triple or quadruple of the doctor's salary. We know what they are preparing for them every month and their family. We know what they're taking. And these people, the doctors were in question that we're talking about, these people we're talking about in question, the doctors I mean. To me, I believe their salary is supposed to be one of the best FT salary in Nigeria. Because they are doing their job diligently, prudently. They are dedicated to their job. Compared to these useless politicians, though some of them are good, but most of them are damn useless. Complete useless. Upon all the salaries they are giving to them, what they are obtaining as salary from the government, they are not doing their job the way it's supposed to be done. They attend meetings maybe twice in a month. And look at the huge amount of salary they are giving to them. Those people that they are doing their job the way it's supposed to be done, they are doing it both theoretically, practically, they are doing it. They are giving them token. And the token they are giving to them, it's not even a persistent salary. They are depriving them of their rights. They've got family. They've got family to look after. These people, during the time of pandemic, You know how many of them that lost their life because of this? They lost their life, their loved ones. Some of the family now, they got family without mother. They've got family without parents. Some of them, they lose their family because of this. Because they were infected with this pandemic, this COVID-19, and they took it home. They give it to their family. They all contacted it. And they died. Some things can never be the same for some family again. We know what these people, what they are doing. They are doing a serious work that we need to be compensating them with guilt money, but we never. And they are now saying that when they come to work, they should be marking register. But what about those people useless up there? And all the politicians, are they doing the same thing? That is the question we need to ask ourselves. Now tell me, because these people have called these people in a round table to solve this problem amicably. But they never listen to them. And we all know this country, this useless country called Nigeria, with the block-headed man, they are very, very adamant, intractable people. You can never obtain something from them without using force. It's impossible. When they talk to them in a gentle manner, but they refused. They repudiated all their discussion. So what do you expect of these people? If they don't do it this time around, what time do you think is the best time for them to do it? So anybody that wants to talk should think before you utter anything out of your mouth. Please. Nigeria, it's not a cheap country. It's not an easy country. It is not an easy country. You have to deal with them with force. If you don't do that, I'm telling you, these people will continue to suffer. And in the end, they might lose. In fact, they are losing. They are losing. So we need to think before we utter anything out of our mouth against this group of people. They are one of the best that we should be respecting in the country. One of the set of group of people that we need to be respecting in the country. Let me quickly pray it for you.
Alága àpapọ̀ dókítà ọ̀hún àwọn dókítà náà ìhùn Yulawa Okwuezi tó ti sọ ọ́ di mímọ̀ pé àwọn ṣì wà lẹ́nu ìbéèrè àwọn àǹfààní sì rèé láti lè jẹ́ kí ohun gbogbo kó dúró rọ̀ lẹ́ka ètò ìlera lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà. Ó ní kì í ṣe tàwọn nìkan làwọn ń jà fún ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ń jà fún gbogbogbò ni eléyìí tí yóò fòpin sí ìdákúrekú lẹ́ka ìlera lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà.
tó ṣe é rántí Evans.
Brilliant. That's like that. I've got one other news. Tí mo fẹ́ ká tún jọ gbọ́. Ìyẹn náà pọ̀, but quickly, let me just play it for you.
pé nọ́mbà ó dùn gírírí.
àná làwọn ilẹ̀ wọn lẹ́bi tí wọ́n ti ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ síta pé
ó wà lé
bá ti ṣe kù fọ́
wọn tó jẹ́ ọ̀sáré irú kí.
kò sí àní-àní ẹ má jẹ́ káfẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ tanná fúnra wa ó là nígbàgbọ́ nínú Ọ̀ṣínbàjò nítorí ẹ̀ náà la ṣe ń mú wá fún yín ní bọ̀m̀bọ̀ báyìí o.
ọ̀dà ẹjẹ́ lọ sí ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn láti.
ìròyìn tí mo fẹ́ ká tún jọ gbọ́ lélẹ́yìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ jẹ́ ká tẹ́tí níbẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ news náà Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú gbogbo wa o. Just a quick one. Thank you.
ọwọ́ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó de ìròyìn ògidì láàárọ̀ yìí kí Ọlọ́run ọba kó máa ṣọ́ wa là wá ń bẹ̀ o. wọ́n ní Alhaji Musafau Bakare ẹni tó jẹ́ ọ̀kan pàtàkì lára àwọn tí máa ṣe wáàsí tó sì jẹ́wọ́ pé ọjọ́ òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ọba ìmáàmù ti Àtìbà ni wọ́n pè é ní Ìjẹ̀bú Òde nípínlẹ̀ Ògùn. wọ́n ní látọjọ́ Tuesday ni wọ́n ti ń wá bàbá yìí tí wọ́n sì ń gbìyànjú wípé kí wọ́n pe nọ́mbà bàbá níbo ni bàbá wà. wọ́n ní bí wọ́n bá pe nọ́mbà ó dùn gírírí wọ́n mọ̀ gbọ́ ṣùgbọ́n bàbá ò gbé. kí ló dé tí bàbá ò gbé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ níbo ni bàbá wà sẹ́. wọ́n ní wọ́n fi tó iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá létí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwádìí tó ní agbára wípé àwọn wo ló jí bàbá gbé pamọ́ abalabo ni wọ́n gbé bàbá sí tí àwọn lè wá bàbá lọ. wọ́n ní gbogbo eléyìí níṣẹ́ ń lọ lórí lọ́wọ́ wọn o kó tó wá di wípé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ alágbára ńlá ṣẹlẹ̀ lánàá nígbà tí wọ́n rí mọ́tò bàbá bọ̀gìnì tí wọ́n nú wọ́n sì dùn wípé àdúpẹ́ o ó dàbí ẹni pé ìrókò ó ti wó sí ilé àgbẹ̀dọ̀ Toyota Highlander. wọ́n ní bí wọ́n ti rí báyìí kí wọ́n sáré síbẹ̀ wo bẹ̀ iná ni wọ́n bá bàbá ń bẹ̀ eléyìí tí wọ́n ti gba ẹ̀mí rẹ̀ tí wọ́n sì gbé òkùtù rẹ̀ síbẹ̀. wọ́n ní ó dùn gbogbo àwọn ènìyàn wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí káwọ́ mọ́rí pé irú kílẹ̀ yìí ìwé ìròyìn Nigerian Tribune ó lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó jẹ́ ọlọ́pàá wípé bó ló ṣe jẹ́ Abímbọ́lá Oyèyẹmí sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní ẹ̀rí nǹkan bí ìgbà tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lóòótọ́ la gbọ́ a gbìyànjú láti rí wípé àwa bàbá yìí kódà a bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí polongo palantia káàkiri ibi tí stations wà wípé àwọn ẹni báyìí o àwọn èèyàn ti ń wá àti ìmọ̀bí tó wà o bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a sì ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pe nọ́mbà rẹ̀ o ẹjọ́ bẹ́nikẹ́ni bá kẹ́fì wọn ẹ bá wa rí i pé ẹ fi tó wa létí. wọ́n ní ṣùgbọ́n lójijì òun náà ni ọ̀rọ̀ ń padà jáde pé wọ́n ti gbẹ̀mí bàbá náà.
ọ̀rọ̀ ń kọ́ ń bọ̀ kì.
Thank you. lórí bàbá tí wọ́n pa ní bàbá Alhaji Arọ́wàsí tí wọ́n pa ní Ogun State mo kàn ní ìgbàgbọ́ kan ni wípé this man is being assassinated because of by the political people for a political reason. And I have the belief that this man they killed, this man, they exterminated his life, must have said something that goes against the will of maybe for the politician. He must have divulged or revealed the verdicts that goes against the will of the politicians. That was the reason why they got rid of him. What kind of country are we into? The country that you can never say you're right. You can't say anything that is right, you say it, they will get rid of you. May God help us. God will assist us. But at the same time, ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú o, ẹ má jẹ́ ká sọ àsopìyè, ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká tètè jí níbikíbi tá a bá wà, ká tètè dá ọgbọ́n sí ọ̀rọ̀ ara wa. Ọ̀rọ̀ yà ń pè ní aró ni o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí ẹ jẹ́ ká tètè wá nǹkan ṣe sí, kó má lọ di nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé nígbẹ̀yìngbẹ̀yìn àwọn máa gé kajẹ o. Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o. Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn jàǹkànjàǹkàn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n wá ń dọ́gbọ́n sí wọ́n ń gba ẹ̀mí wọ́n ṣe gbá wọn ṣàwọ́ tó máa ti sòtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń jẹ́ bí olórí báyìí. Tá bá dúró tó bá pẹ́ tó bá yá wọ́n á kanlẹ̀kùn náà lé tiwa náà o ọlọ́run ò ní fi wá lé wọn lọ́wọ́ o ọlọ́run ò ní fi wá lé wọn lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run á gbèjà wa jà o jésù á gbèjà wa jà o jésù á gbèjà wa jà o á gbà wá lọ́wọ́ ta ogun ayé ọlọ́run á bá wa ṣẹ́ o ọlọ́run á bá wa ṣẹ́ ọlọ́run á dó tiwa ọlọ́run ní padà lẹ́yìn wa o ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò jù báyìí lọ ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ yìí orúkọ tèmi lẹ́ǹkan sí HRH Prince A Ajijan orúkọ mi nìyẹn o ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ bá ti gbọ́ kínní ẹ bá wa share ẹ love ẹ like share love and like kí àwọn èèyàn gbọ́ ká lè má dúró ká má bá a sùn àsùnpìyè ọlọ́run á dótú wa o ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú gbogbo yín any wonderful day great day àdúrà yín á gbà o tọmọtọmọ lórúkọ Jésù lọ́lá ànábì bye.